Indonesia is well known as an agricultural country. This is shown in the national survey, namely Survei Angkatan Kerja Nasional in 2021, where the majority of people are working as farmers in the agriculture category. In addition, Indonesia is also well known as a country rich of diversity. According to Badan Pusat Statistik, Indonesia is consisted of 1,340 ethnic groups, with the Javanese ethnic as the largest ethnic group. Javanese ethnic is known to be one of the ethnics which holds its tradition strongly for thousands of years until present day. In terms of farming activities, the Javanese people has their own guideline called E-Pranata Mangsa. It is a Javanese calendar on reading nature science that is divided into 12 seasons according to the pseudo-circulation of the sun. It is used as a standard in arranging the preparations to face natural disaster and weather change in agricultural aspect. The agricultural activity, which is highly vulnerable towards climate and weather changes, should be well maintained to keep the agricultural productivity. One way is through integrating E-Pranata Mangsa as a digital application.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, to the honorable judges. I am Nabil Juninanda Rahman from SMA Negeri Semarang. Allow me to introduce you to E-Pranata Mangsa, a farmer's companion app based on Javanese culture, E-Pranata Mangsa.
The purposes of this project are 1. To create a farmer companion app which preserves the Javanese culture E-Pranata Mangsa in the farmer's daily activity. 2. To examine the effectiveness of the application to help and ease farmers on their agricultural activities from planting until harvest season. E-Pranata Mangsa aims to help and ease farmers to create a farming schedule based on weather conditions of the seasons on E-Pranata Mangsa and introduce the local wisdom of E-Pranata Mangsa for public education to preserve the Javanese culture. As for our basic theories, first, we have E-Pranata Mangsa. It is a Javanese calendar which starts on the 22nd of June and is divided into 12 seasons, which each of the season having their own names and characteristics of nature signs from animal behavior, plants, and wind direction. The Javanese people have already known E-Pranata Mangsa as a traditional guideline for thousands of years. However, it was just established in Surakarta by Paku Buwana VII in the 19th century as an official calendar. Second, local wisdom. Local wisdom can be understood as local ideas that are thoughtful, full of wisdom, and followed by the people. Third, Android. It is an operating system for Linux-based mobile devices such as smartphones and tablet computers, which we use to access the application. Fourth, Codular. It is a website to develop applications easily and for free with programming blocks without inputting the program code manually. Fifth, Codular Companion. Codular Companion connects the application we made on Codular to be tested on a device before it is published or exported. Last but not least, Google Spreadsheet. It is used as a database to collect data from users such as usernames and passwords. Methodology. Here we can see the flowchart and timeline of this project from logging in or sign up until each menu on the application. We also use black box testing and SUS analyze. Result and discussion. Once the application is initiated, the welcome screen is displayed. After logging in, users will go directly to the main menu, which consists of several in-app features such as related articles and videos, explanation of E-Pranata Mangsa, farming calculator and schedule, WhatsApp consultation, nearest farming supply store which connects to Google Map, and weather forecast. The black box testing turned to be successful for this application. Here is the SUS analyze. The SUS analyze is done with a number of 30 respondents from teenagers to adults from various background. Here is the data. First one is the pure score and here is the process score calculated according to the SUS rules. The average score is obtained by dividing SUS total score with the number of respondents. In this case, the SUS total score is 2,415 with the number of 30 respondents. The average SUS score for E-Pranata Mangsa application is 80.5. This means that the result of E-Pranata Mangsa application is acceptable on grade scale B with a good grade and adjective ratings. In conclusion, first, E-Pranata Mangsa is an application not only to be a companion app for farmers, it also preserves the Javanese culture. Second, E-Pranata Mangsa Farmers Companion app is able to provide information to help ease and support farming activities. Third, based on the result of SUS analyze, E-Pranata Mangsa has a score of 80.5 with a good grade in adjective ratings, which means it is suitable to use. Fourth, based on the result of black box testing, every screen testing in E-Pranata Mangsa application is able to work successfully as expected. Here are the references used on this research. Here are the logbook and copyright for E-Pranata Mangsa application.
That's all for me. Thank you and have a good day.